Someone's going to be eating dinner tonight, and it's going to be chicken wings, hearty wings from Costco, organic. You get a little less, but you get a better quality. And I want to bring your attention not over here to the barbecue, but in the distance. Hang on. These are citronella oil in a Snapple, and you can see the smoke rising. And here you go, right there. And I'll pan in the distance. You got one over there, one over there, and one on the wire, and one between the wire. Mosquitoes. They just hang out. Can't get rid of them. Even with the citronella. You could say they love the candle. Look at them go haywire. Fighting. There's like 4 of them. Left in this, it lights up. Oh, burn these bad boys. They just love the flame and the smoke. Look at that. I'll put it down here. I'll let these things burn out. I got the fire engine coming over. Look at this one right here. I don't have my magnifier, my 0.5. But I tell you, they're just all over the damn place. Oh, that's smooth. Chicken coming along just nicely. Try to keep turning it so it don't burn, but we like chicken burnt. Well done. I've seen some lava rocks, and I think I'm going to go get the lava rocks the next time. Get rid of these briquettes. They don't do a great job. They don't make briquettes anymore. I like the briquettes better than lava rocks. Time to close this up and let it cook some more. I'll shoot the tongs just like so. That's my LED light. I got three. I got a red one. I got to do the corner, and I had 3 there. Don't know what happened to that one. And I got 3 there, and I got a light in the back. Did a great job. I think I'm going to go check that one out. I grabbed it off. I think the wiring's backwards. I'll figure it out. My lights are on. I got blue lights. Maybe I should have made them red. I think blue's too bright. I see gold. I see sapphire. I see a low-lit scene. It's getting dark, and I think this is a wonderful shot. It should not give you any graininess, because I don't see grain. That's really flickering. That's the fastest flicker. That's flickering, and that's not. I'll get nice and close to you. Look at that flame. I'm about 18 inches away. I'm like 3 inches. Well, again, time to check the chicken. Can't see anything, but these are just about done. These are not done. They still need to get burnt. This one is done, so that goes over there. That one's just about done. Oh yeah. Pile them up nice and close. In about 5 more minutes, we have our dinner.